Okay, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Muli po kami nagpupugay sa inyo para sa isa na namang kabanata ng interview segment. Alone interview for this Tuesday, June 3, 2025. And alam natin yun sa background, tignan na ang ongoing yung training ng ating team Kalasag. And just recently, yung ating team Waiboran Philippines are already have a huge medal all na naman dyan po sa Thai martial arts games dyan po sa Thailand. And we get to talk about that sa ating mga kasama natin kung Team Kalasag and Waiboran Philippines sa pangunguna po ni Crew Archie Brioso na isa ring gold medalist dyan sa mismong competition. So sir, magandang gabi. Welcome to Sports Corner once again. Sir, bumati kayo. Sir Crew Archie.
Thank you for having us, bro.
Bale ka muna.
Thank you for having us, bro, sa Sports Corner PH. Thank you. It's an honor for us na ma-interview and ma-recognize yung achievements ng team. Of course, pinaghandaan namin na may ito. And the results we were able to produce is, of course, the result of hard work and dedication. And thank you for inviting us for this interview today.
And of course, Crew Archie, pakilala na din natin yung ilang mga kasama na rin na nakatagay din.
Yes, kasama ko during the event, we fought in at least 3 different martial arts dun sa 7th International Thai Martial Arts Game Festival. Kasama dyan yung Muay Boran under the World Muay Boran Federation umbrella or banner. Muay Thai under the World Muay Thai Organization. And there's the boxing that we did under UBF. So those three are mga sports na we participated in. Kasama ko pala ang ISCA for kickboxing. So apat actually. Si Marco Guillermo fought at Muay Boran and ISCA for kickboxing during the first night. He fought against Brazil. Mexican. In both fights, who fought in Muay Boran in boxing. Ito si Marco Guillermo. Ito si Marco. Yan. Okay. And then Queen fought sa Muay Boran for the female. And then there's Kaiden. Si Kaiden fought sa Muay Boran in boxing. Okay. Also, we also took with us maliban sa Team Kalasag, nakipag-merge din sa amin ng Yodrak. And they have one more athlete na nag-compete. Also with us is Mark Julian Itaas, who is also a seasoned veteran ng local MMA and martial arts community. I think nandyan din siya. Hindi ko alam kung nag-log siya sa Zoom. Pero he's with us during the competition. Lumaban siya sa WMO Pro Am and sa boxing for UBF.
Alright, so thank you so much.
So far, yun yung mga athletes natin na lumaban.
Okay, thank you so much, Crew Archie, for that wonderful introduction to sa ating mga athletes. But first of all, I think this is the second time yata na mag-compete from sa International and Thai Martial Arts Games. The last year, nagpadala din kayo ng delegation on the same event, no? And of course, ano yung pinagkaiba nitong paghahanda ninyo doon sa dalawang the plus edition and of course the present edition niya compared sa training kasi nag-merge din kayo sa isa pang club na of course nakapag-compete din under the Philippines banner, sir.
Yes, malaking bagay yung difference and yung strategies na ginawa namin to be able to parang do better than we did last time. So basically, to be honest with you, before it was ITMA, it was WMF way back. Ako as an athlete, I've been competing dyan sa international tournament na yan for over more than 10 years na, since 2010, 2011. And we've been progressing until nag-pandemic. And then after the pandemic, after a few years, we were able to get back sa ITMA. So the freshest experience we had was last year and this one. About your question, a lot of things we did to do better this time. Katulad ng sa stamina namin and expecting that we are fighting in different sports. We had to train specifically for those sports, tulad ng boxing, kickboxing, Muay Thai, and Muay Buran. Of course, we have to know and get used to the rules, iba-ibang rules ng mga sport na yon, and we trained harder this time and smarter. So nandiyan na yung training namin in boosting our stamina, and then technical training, and then of course yung mga laban namin along the way locally to help us perform better. So before we actually fought internationally, yung mga bata natin have fought in different local fights dito sa Pilipinas to tune them up for this international fight.
Okay, pinapakita natin na yon, screenshot na lang yung ating mga pictures coming from the event, and yan po si Crew Archie na nakapag top podium or nakapag gold medal in one of the events natin doon sa competition. And ito pa yung isa pang picture, yan po yung world team. So 7 member pala yung kinabibilangan ng grupo ito, sir. 7 members.
Yes, Pito.
Okay. So I like to ask
Well, technically more kung at least are 7, and then may mga staff tayo kasama and support, at least mga 4 more na hindi nasama sa picture. So technically around 11 people tayo as an entire delegation.
And we have credit them for the best effort, lalo na yung ating mga coaching staff na of course tumulong nga dito sa magandang kampanya niya throughout this competition. Because I like to ask muna yung mga athletes yun natin na kasama ninyo bago si Crew Archie for the assessment sa ating mga events. Unahin natin yung ladies first. Ladies first muna. Kamusta ang experience nga pala na makapag-compete nga muli dito sa International Thai Muay Thai Arts Games? Ano yung mga medals na napalanunan nyo throughout the competition? And of course, masasabi nyo ba, grateful ka ba na of course, dinala ninyo yung experience ninyo, na makapag-compete nga sa competition na yun? Yun si Ma'am Queenie muna.
Experience yung experience na yun is super and syempre before kami pumunta doon, kahit pa paano, in-equip kami ni crew na syempre maging fight ready pagdating doon sa nga po, naka-fight kami ng local local to tune up. Then sa training po, hard training talaga siya. Before kami mag-fight sa
Ilang medals kayo? Ilan ang mga medals ninyo? Pwede natin bagitin yung mga medals sa divisions na nilaukan ninyo?
lahat po sa amin or
Sa inyo, personally.
sa baba. Isang medal lang
Personally.
po. Isang ano lang po sa weight division namin.
Okay.
Bale, fight ako against Spain. Battle for gold na po siya.
And of course, ano ba yung pinakamahalagang natutunan ninyo na makapag-compete niya in different martial arts para at least maitulong ito na malaki upang ma-develop pa ng gusto yung skills at of course yung sabihin natin magandang formula as a martial artist.
Syempre po ang yung experience din. Syempre kailangan ko ng discipline sa martial arts. Ito yung para sa akin. Consistency, discipline, syempre experience.
Okay, thank you, Queenie. I'd like to also recognize si Mark Julian Itaas na doon sa Zoom. Mark, diretso na tayo sa tanungan. How's your experience na pala of competing abroad dito sa International and Thai Martial Arts Games? Kamusta yung experience, Mark?
Right now, hindi pa naka-log si Mark.
Actually, andito na sa Zoom.
I can answer for him.
Andito na sa Zoom. Medyo nagka-problema lang yung Zoom natin. Pero babalikan po natin siya. Okay. Mark, are you hearing right now? Narinig niyo ba kami?
Okay na po.
Okay.
Okay na, sir.
Good evening po, Sir Mark. At kamusta experience muna na makapag-compete na dito sa nasabi competition? Ilang medals ba na panalunan ninyo? Nawala si Mark. Balikan na lang natin siya maya ng konti. Okay. So, si Jan muna or si Gab ang ating tatanungin din natin. Okay. Sir, ilan na muna ang medals na napanalunan nyo to this International Thai and Muay Thai Games, and how's your experience and assessment?
So, yun po yung nasali ako po din is boxing quite bural. Pero mas pinalad po tayo sa boxing. So, okay lang din naman kasi we are Filipino, no? We love boxing naman talaga eh. I fought sa 61 kilogram. Mas taller sa akin yung opponent pero it was a good experience kasi international siya. At the same time na marami akong realization sa laban, no? Hindi lang siya more on medals eh. Saka fight, of course, mga ganun. And then, yung mga experience, so, maganda siya. Sana, I hope na next competition, upapala rin ulit, makakuha tayo ng gold even belt po. So, maraming salamat din para sa mga sponsor din.
At gaano itong laking katulong ito para mas lalo pang usayan pa ang inyong skills and development niya, career development niya as a mixed martial artist?
So,
ano yung nakatulong sa inyo ng malaki itong participation ninyo pag-represent ng bansa natin sa pagpulma pa ng dagdag na skills and career development niya bilang martial artist?
Ayun. Sa laban kasi nung laban, syempre, doon ko rin nakita rin yung mga mistake na hindi ko dapat ginagawa. And then yung mga, syempre, yung mga tamang nagawa. So yun, yung nag-boost talaga nung parang fight spirit, no? Na magpatuloy. So yun.
Okay, thank you so much. Ang ating susunod
Salamat din po.
Bisita natin. Sir, ilan na yung katabi natin? Sir, ilan yung mga medals na napalanunan ninyo sa competition. At of course, how's your experience na pala yung assessment? Doon naman tayo sa pa natin kasama.
So, sir,
Hello po.
narinig po ba ako?
Ilang medals ba kayo na panunod doon sa Thai Martial Arts? And of course, how's your assessment nga pala throughout this competition?
Ako po, sir.
Sige, si Sir Mark muna.
Ako, sir, nanalo ako ng gold medal sa boxing. Then, nanalo ako ng bronze medal sa professional amateur Muay Thai. So, grabe yung experience namin dun sa Thailand. Siyempre, malaking event na yun eh. Marami kaming nakalaban na mga high level na athletes. So, siguro stepping stone namin yun para mas kapag-uwi pa ng mga medal sa susunod.
At gaano ito laking katulong, Mark, na mapausaya panlalo ang inyong career? Lalo na ikaw, you also into MMA nga pala. So, ano yung siguro yung mga key factors ninyo na makapag-compete sa ganitong classic competition para mas lalo pang ma-improve pa yung skills ninyo in different martial arts na kinabibilangan ninyo?
Sa akin po, as I said nga, mas nag-gain kami ng experience na nakalaban namin yung mga high level ng iba't ibang country. So, sa tingin ko, onti pang training, mapapantayan natin yung kaya naman nating pantayan yung iba't ibang skills ng iba't ibang country. So, siguro sa tulong lang ng proper training talaga, yung siguro more time pa to train, magagawa natin yun. So, handa kami na bumawi kung na makuha yung gold talaga next time.
Okay, thank you so much, Mark. Balikan ka namin maya-maya. Okay, balik tayo sa ating ibang mga kasama, si Kuya. Kuya, ilang medals na dapat lunod niyo dun sa competition na yon, at of course, your assessment? Unmute po, please. Unmute, please.
So, hi Sir Gab, I'm Marco. I've competed sa 67 kilogram ng kickboxing and also 67 kilogram sa Muay Puran. Then fortunately, we got the bronze medallion sa kickboxing. Ayan po. Then
Assessment, Kuya.
Ano po?
Assessment niyo po doon sa inyong event.
Ayan.
Boxing.
Ayan. Assessment ko, since that is my international debut. So, kahit lumalaban kami locally before, iba pa din talaga yung pressure kapag nandun ka na sa international stage. No? Then, also, magandang learning experience sa amin. Tapos, nakita namin yung mga lapses namin or yung mga somehow strength namin na magagamit namin in the future, and also na mga things na kailangan namin improve in the future kung magko-compete kami next year kung papalarin po.
And how do you see this great opportunity na makapag-compete internationally para mas lalo pa maasa ang sarili ninyo, lalo na sa dagdag na skills na as a martial artist? Sir Marco?
Yeah. So, iba pa
medyo choppy po kayo. Medyo choppy.
Di ba? Ibang-iba siya kapag nakakalaban mo na naputo.
Medyo choppy lang ng konti. Pakiulit niyo po yung sagot.
Ayan, okay na po.
Okay na.
Ayan. So, aside sa yung level sa internet, as I said, although we are thinking iba't well, pag i-up mo yung training mo, kailangan galaw mo mga iba't ibang bansa. Ayun, kaya kailangan pag-usayan mo. Ayun po.
Okay, thank you so much, Marco. I'd like to bring back si Crew Archie. Crew Archie, share screen ko lang muna ito dahil you are also a bronze, a gold medalist dyan po sa, if I remember, boxing event, no? So, how's your assessment muna at bukod sa boxing, ilang medals ang napalanunan ninyo during this
Sorry na medyo choppy ulit.
medyo choppy na yung ating signal natin. So, ulitin ko yung question if I could ask permission. How's your assessment niya doon sa event na yun? Ilang mga medals niya napalununan? At para sa inyo, grateful ka ba, of course, na makapag-compete niya dito sa ganitong klaseng competition, Crew Archie? Share screen ko muna para sa mga pictures.
Hey bro, pwedeng paulit. Medyo naging choppy ng todo yung signal.
Okay.
Kahit
So,
yung
kamusta ang experience niya and assessment ninyo sa competition at ilang medals na napalanunan niyo during the competition? Kasi pinagsabay na rin ang pagiging coach and a participant too dito sa event na ito, Croatia. Habang nakikita natin, memorize natin yung mga through the pictures na share.
Yeah, bro. Pero nasabi ko sa kanila, it wasn't an easy task kasi I was managing the team. Ako din yung national representative since the team is a member of the World Muay Boran Federation. So ako yung representative, parang team manager. Ako yung nag-aasikaso ng mga laban ng bawat isang athletes. And then I'm making sure na pasok sila dun sa weight nila. So yung training nila and then yung weight management, nutrition, and pati sa draw lots, ako yung umatin ng mga meetings. Wasn't easy for me. Pero since I've been doing this for ilang years na rin naman I'm able to juggle around. I was able to bag 2 gold medals and a silver. 2 pro-am sa 2 magkaibang weight division. Isang 71 kg, tsaka isang 67 kg. For the WMO Pro Amateur Muay Thai. So I fought with, ang una ko nakatapat o tinapat sa akin was France for the 71 kilograms. And then Russia, din sa picture niyan, for the 67 kilograms. And then last day ng competition, I had to do 2 fights. Isang pro-am Muay Thai and 30 minutes after boxing versus Thailand. A youngster na Thailander na boxingero. Yeah. So I had at least around 30 minutes break, and then I was still I was able to win against the tawagin Thai boxer. Ganun din dun sa mga ibang mga fighters natin. Most of them, sinabi ko na naman na sa kanila, when we're fighting international, height advantage wala sa atin. Most of the time, mas matatangkad talaga yung mga kalaban. And for this year, we dominated more sa boxing. And we gained a lot of learning experience with some Muay Thai and Muay Boran. But we were able to manage some to win on some of the Muay Boran and Muay Thai fights as well. Nakipagsabayan din naman tulad ni Mark Itaas. We'll be releasing the highlights of our fights sa page namin probably tomorrow para ipakita yung mga best action moves na nagawa namin against our opponents during our fights. And may mga skills lang talaga na kailangan i-polish. And we've learned it, let's say, the hard way dito sa 7th International Thai Martial Arts. Tulad ni Queen, she did wonderfully against Spain nung nakalaban niya. So she was able to dominate her opponent, ending in a unanimous decision on her favor. And then kay Kai din, and lalo na yung boxing niya, even if he was much smaller, tulad ng mga usual fights niya, he was able to fly like an angry bird to fight against his taller opponent. So overall, compared last year, even though we took home 11 medals last year, mostly silver, this time we took home 6 medals. But half of it was 6 gold medals, 2 silver medals, and 1 bronze, or 2 bronze. So total of 10 medals din. Pero this time, mas mabigat yung weight ng gold medals that we are carrying, along with the experience saka yung learnings namin.
Okay, pinapakita natin dito sa ating share screen yung picture ninyo na sinipa nyo yung kalabang Rousseau. Dito, siguro i-describe nyo sa amin itong nangyari doon sa yung pinatamaan mong sipa itong Russian opponent.
Yes, yung fight from first round to third round, sabayan talaga yan. But he's an experienced champion from his experience. So nagsabayan kami first to yung third round. I was able to land significant hits, even causing some abrasions sa mukha niya. But when it came to stamina, because of kasi last day na ng competition yan, I was feeling the tiredness. Pero that was the first fight for the night. I fell short sa stamina. Even if I was able to throw him and hit him my hardest, he won via the judge's decision. So I ended up bagging the silver for that fight.
Ayun. So, napakatindi talaga ng pagtatagpo ninyo between you and the Russian opponent niya. At of course, you managed to win a couple of medals that in this competition. And with this victory, 6 golds, 2 silvers, and 1 bronze medals as a team manager.
2 bronze.
2 bronze, sorry. Do you think kaya ba nating malampasan yung nagdaang medal all natin ngayon sa 2026 edition naman? Kasi ito na siguro pinaghahandaan ninyo ng ating koponan. And even in the other competitions na rin internationally this year.
Yes. This year, meron pa kaming parating na 6th Kunkumer World Championships na tayo din ang member ng federation, na International Federation. We're using the experiences and learnings from this recent tournament para sa laban sa parating na Kunkumer World Championships naman this December. So, everything that we have learned and all of the lapses and all of the strengths na nakita ko sa mga athletes natin, we will improve and boost para this time we get to take home more gold medals para sa Kunkumer World Championships. Gaganapin siya sa Cambodia. I think it's also going to be in Siem Reap. We're still waiting for the invite from the federation. Pero automatic naman yan yung team natin na nag-participate dyan. And then, gagamitin na rin namin yun to prepare more for the next International Thai Martial Arts 2026. And with your question, with those experiences and the fights that are lined up for the team this year, that's what we're fighting every month. Tulad ko, I'm also the current national athlete for contact jiu-jitsu sa Jiu-Jitsu Federation. So I'm also a 67 or 69 kilogram Philippine team, part of the Philippine team for contact jiu-jitsu. Striking siya, so parang MMA. So I'm using that to enhance my skill to prepare for those upcoming international fights. So definitely by next year, we're aiming to bring home more gold, and marami na ring teams that are wanting to also combine with my team to represent the Philippines pagdating ng 8th International Thai Martial Arts. So we're expecting more athletes to compete next year, potentially bagging more medals for the Philippines.
Dapat consistent rin yung training na rin kasi alam mo naman natin ang ating athletes ay meron ding ibubuga nga pagdating nga dito sa competition, and we will deep dive to that in the coming days as of course nag-aantay kayo para sa Kunkumer World Cup, and patuloy natin subaybayan yung ating mga atleta natin na nagmamayagpag po sa international scene. Okay, we run out of time at sa susunod na pagkikita natin mag-uusap tayo with regards na dito sa ating Kunkumer World Cup, and we wish them good luck nga sa upcoming competition. So I like to ask muna yung ating mga guests muna to have their closing remarks natin. Unahin natin si Pam. Please, yung closing remarks mo. And of course, pagbati na rin sa mga taga-suporta natin.
And thank you po for this time for having us.
May mga gustong batiin muna. Shoutouts. Shoutouts muna.
Ito, I have Kaiden over here. Si Kaiden nakapag-uwi ng 2 gold medal sa Muay Buran in boxing. Ano gusto na masabi?
Si Kaiden, I'd like to give you assessment lang. Short assessment lang kasi kulang na tayo sa oras.
Assessment.
Na-Dexter po ako sa 51 kg sa Muay Buran, and nakapaglaro din po ako ng boxing. And yung dalawa na po yun, nakakuha po tayo ng 2 gold medal.
Assessment. Short assessment lang.
Experience. Sa experience naman po, nag-gain po ko na skill dahil nga po yung mga nakalaban international, mas nag-improve po at nakita po yung mga dapat gawin, yung mga mali na pwede pa po mabago.
Okay, shoutout ka muna sa ating mga bisita, Kaiden.
Shoutout po sa mga viewers natin dyan.
Okay, sa iba mga kasama natin, may mga gusto kayo mag-shoutout sa inyong mga kasama natin at sa iba pa mga miyembro. Yung
Okay, first bro, we want to thank our supporters, yung Team Kalasag family, our students, kasi sila ang main supporters ng team. Of course, our sponsors, our LGU ng City of San Jose del Monte, at least morally and some of the financial support we got from them, making this Herculean feat possible. So we want to thank them. Guys, anyone else?
Okay, si iba. Okay, shoutouts.
Ayan, so first, thank you so much, Sir Gab, for this opportunity na ma-interview mo kami and maipakalat namin yung naging accomplishment namin outside the country. And also, I want to thank our sponsors, of course. Ayan, gaya nga sabi ni Crew, kung wala sila, na-ease up yung burden namin financially, and also yung support ng our countrymen and yung family namin. Ayun po, sir. Thank you po.
Okay. Si Kuya naman. Kuya, shoutout ka.
Okay po. Sorry po, bakit mo dun sa tatagin mo sa ibang bansa po. So yun, maraming salamat sa support. Then of course po sa sponsor po ng laban po namin kay Sir Arbal, and then kay Amber, of course po sa NGU, and then of course po kay crew, thank you rin po sa training, and sa support, and sa mga discipline po na nasabi po sa akin before, and then also sa mga team members po namin, and then sa lahat po ng Pilipino na sumusuporta po. Hindi lang po sa amin, good sa po. Maraming salamat.
Okay, si Sir Mark, may mga gusto ko yung mag-shoutout as we end this interview.
Sir, una-una, thank you, Sir Gab, for interviewing us. Papasalamat po ako sa mga viewers ngayon, sa mga and sa mga sumuporta sa amin, and especially kay Crew Archie na nagbigay ng opportunity na makalaban kami sa ibang bansa, and sa mga sumuporta din sa akin na mga students ko, nagbigay ng mga help nila para makalaro ako sa ibang bansa. Thank you so much. Yan lang po.
Okay, so dito na nagwawakas sa ating panayam natin at mag-group picture na po tayo para, of course, pag-congratulations natin sa ating koponan natin na Team Kalasag and of course, Mayboran Philippines. Okay, thumbs up everyone! Thumbs up po tayo everyone in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so again, congratulations to the whole delegation na nanggaling sa Thailand, and we look forward for more competitions to come, and makakasa po ninyo ng todo-todong suporta natin, lalo na sa paparating na Kuntumera competition. And of course, rest assured, of course, the Sports Corner will be there to cover it kahit medyo malayo, kahit dito lang tayo sa bahay, masisikapin natin ang best natin para i-highlight natin ang mga tagumpay natin ng ating mga Pilipinong atleta natin. So, thank you so much everyone. God bless and
Thank you, Sports Corner BH.
At kita tayo sa dojo na sa may SJDM. Baka pwede nating dalawin din yan. Okay, bye-bye!
Brother, you're always welcome. Bye.
Always welcome po at salamat po.